Hey everyone, this is our first video of our series on how to find the right companies. Finding the right companies has always been a biggest challenge for sales guys. Often, we use tools like LinkedIn or Google to search for companies that are relevant to us. Today, we are going to talk about a very specific problem that most sales guys face in their company search scenario. Searching for software product companies or ISVs. If you're selling your product or services to software product companies only, then you have definitely experienced this pain of searching for software product companies in the whole list of software companies. There is no platform that helps you identify software companies today. You can use filters like computer software or ITES in the industry column, but that also gives you a lot of software services companies in the list, and then you're only left to basically go and open all of those companies one by one and to check them if they're actually building software products also or not. Now to overcome this, what we've done is Cloudera.ai as a platform has given you a very simple filter, which you can use to actually directly go and find out software product companies from the entire universe. Cloudera basically has the data of all the entire digital footprint of every company in the system, which also includes their full website. And then it actually analyzes that website to identify if the company is actually building products or not. This basically saves hundreds of man hours for you on a yearly basis, just to search for companies that actually are building software products for you. This is how basically we do it. Now here, when we go to company search, this is where we go and click modify search. Now in this, as I said earlier, you can always use filters like software and ITES in this, which will also give you a lot of companies which are just services companies. So instead of doing this, what you can do now is in this company type filter, you can directly select product. So you can select either products, services, or solutions, and you can select these and directly search for companies. When you search for this, what you're going to get is all the companies in the world that are actually building software products only. So about 239,000 companies is what you got here. Across the globe, these companies are spread. You can see that they are from US, South America, all of these various countries as well. So you can use all of these filters to exactly find out what companies you are looking for and find the right companies before you go and make your pitch. One thing you can also do as a top-on addition here is basically you can use these tags and website keywords as a filter to find out companies that are building products in certain areas. For example, now you want to find out companies that are building software products, but in the payment section only. So I'm putting payment, finance, banking as sort of keywords in my tags section here. And then when I go and search for this, it's only going to find out companies that are building software products in the payment section. Similarly, you can use this to find out IoT companies, blockchain companies, and so on and so forth. Whatever you want to find out, you can use these filters to find out companies that are exactly building products in this space. See this. These are our payment solutions. Online payment solutions. These are all basically companies that are building software products in the categories that you have chosen. So this is basically how you go and search for software products. It makes your life a lot easier if you are especially a salesperson for an offshore product development company whose only target market is software product companies on the other end, or you're providing services or products to software product companies directly. So let us know how you feel about this video, and we'll be back with more search videos later. Thank you.